Hey, Nikki Brown here. I just got my nails done. She did like a cute little design. It looks like a spider web. I just let her freestyle. And now I'm going to Double D's to get me a decaf iced coffee, caramel. And then I need to slow my roll on this coffee because I've been drinking a lot of coffee lately. I've been trying to do decaf, but decaf still has a little bit of caffeine in it. So, my mind tells me to get a small, but I think I want at least a medium. I ain't even gonna lie. So I'm about to see what's going on my Dunkin' Donuts app, my Double D's app, and see if I have a free drink available. And that's it. I really just wanted to show y'all my nails. I love them. I think they look cute. And yeah, that's around about it. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.